Welcome to our data science, machine learning, and AI course, your first step towards mastering the skills to become an artificial intelligence AI expert. Our current module is all about Python fundamentals. Check out the full playlist in the description for everything we have covered so far and hit subscribe to stay updated with new lessons and future modules. Today, I'm showing you the practice exercise that you can actually try to complete and write a code based on the skills that you have learned in the previous videos that we have shared. The objective of this exercise to actually write a Python program that takes in two inputs and then returns the percentage and grade of the students and how to actually print it. Every detail is actually mentioned in this document. The link to download this document will be available in the description. You can access this document via the link in the description. It has all the steps that you need to follow, and it also includes some of the hints that might help you to go back and rewatch some of our previous videos so that you can actually complete this exercise. You can perform a Google search. You can actually check the documentation, take some help from ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity, or any other AI tool that we have actually covered in this course. And then you can solve this exercise. This is to really actually increase your exposure and your skills based on what you have learned so far. And in my next videos I will actually include the solution to this exercise to help you how you can actually better write code and solve the real world problems. Till then, have a good day. Keep learning.